This is for the dreamers, who crave self-expression and are always tinkering to make each space their own. This is for the amateur chefs seeking the space they need to spread out to do what they love. This is for the social crowd, looking for a little more space for a few more guests. This is for the new school, the old school, and those headed back to school. This is for the empty nesters, the best of the besters, and the what's nexters. This is for the large families, small families, and all the changing families in between. This is for those who are always seeking more, always striving for better, and most importantly, always dreaming. This is Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate. When you're dreaming of what's next, our affiliated agents will be there to help you design a personalized experience that suits your style and supports all your home buying and selling dreams. Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate. Always dreaming.